fun. And sana hindi sumakit ang mga tuhod at mga likod nyo bukas.
Ay, kaway! Ready? Head, knees, shoulders, head, begin! Go! Narinig mo mo. Go! Knees, toes, go!
Guys, bawbi ako kain.
Are you ready? Freaking go! 3, 2, 1!
Ay! Iba na lang ako na split. Oh my God! Show me! Pag nasuka ko! Wow! Okay ko! Naka-split siya! Nagsuot niya!
On, baby!
Si Kevin, mababa! Mababa! Mababa!
Okay, strategy, may ka-angle or wala? Sino na loob sa second round na to? Mga titas! Picture, picture! Ah, diba? Parang... Your team name? Okay, bangan niya? Okay. Chinita, timbangan yan! Timos! The rules of the game is, simple lang tayo. Mataghanay lang og songs na napalagaan. 3, 2, 1, and...
Feliz Navidad! Na 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 na! Silent night! Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, joy to the world! Maligayang Pasko at maligong Pasko na! We wish you a Merry Christmas! Dahil ikaw, bro! Dahil ikaw, bro! Ang
Si Sir Mike daw. ko dito. Thank you, Ninang Yen! Ayan, Merry Christmas, everyone! Most festive outfit. Yeah. Congratulations, most festive outfit. Another winner for most festive outfit. 1,000 pesos cash prize. Hat. Yeah. Mga angels. Red. Scissors na muna. Congratulations! Best dress, 1,000 pesos, Hannah! Isang ipag na, Julieta! Yes, naman! Mommy Victoria! Yes! Sirampa mo na yan! Oh, yes! Pagkasusundo ka nga naman, iba ang kalawak? Yeah! Our best dress, palakpakan! These are our best dress of the night. And it's so special, sabi ni Doc Yen, plot twist, same yun daw sila birthday. Diba? So, meant to be kayo na ma-part sa family si Sir. Dalawa na? Nag-isa kayo ni Sir. Okay, akin na po, Sir.
Para na twist ba? Bunot dua, papakul ba?
Our first winner of 5,000 pesos ay, ma'am, ako unang i-reveal. Ay! Ikaw! Congratulations! Final 5,000 pesos of the night. Ay! Nagdagdagan pala? Congratulations, number 14, Hill Molina! Si Sir is also a runner-up in Dong Yen's tennis tournament. O, diba? Deserve! Congratulations!
Okay.
Picture, picture! Pesos. Parinig muna ng konting hiyawan! Na para bang potato corner lang yan. Ano?
Ikaw na magpasa!
Uy, bilog pa siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa ito nabunog pa rin niya. Parang gano'n. Congratulations! Christine! our Doc Yen Dental Clinic Christmas Party!
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to my wonderful staff, composed of Arya, Ate Joy, Piang, and our new member, Kat. I want to say thank you for your dedication, your hard work. Thank you for your patience to our patient, to every one of you, to me. And thank you for rendering your service. Actually, si Piang, 5 years na siya sa akin. Since day 1, wala pang cleaning, nagana siya. Ate Joy, for Aryan, for Kat, and for Piang. Let's give them a round of applause. Kasi without them, they are my backbone sa clinic. Without them, I cannot fully practice. I cannot fully operate. And thank you guys. Thank you for every one of you for always supporting us.
Sure sa next party, more team members, more branches, and more happiness.